Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just colored my hair last night using a recommendation, and it was the Goldwell Topchic in the shade Blue Black. And yes, I know it says cool browns on the box, which makes absolutely no sense because I feel like black doesn't belong in the brown family, but apparently to this brand it does. Yeah, so the cool thing about this was I actually ordered this before it became a recommendation, and since when a recommendation becomes a recommendation, like I jump that before I color like my hair, anything else that I bought, that I was just like, all right, well, I don't have anything else to color my hair with. So I'll use the stuff that I bought, but if someone recommends something, I buy it and it jumps those ones and becomes first. So I already ran out of recommendations. I do have one that just came in and ordered that, so that will be my next hair color. And then I'll be moving on to all the ones that I bought from eBay. And I bought this on eBay. So you can get it. It is on eBay. It is affordable. And it's probably like between $5 and $10. So yeah. When I first opened it, it did have a scent, and I couldn't even tell you what that scent smelled like because it was gone faster than I could even think of what scent it was. So you don't really have to worry about ventilation because the scent was gone. It was only there when you opened the bottle, and that was it. And then it was just gone. And it was so insanely gentle. My hair, after washing it out, feels so good. It's so soft. And the color is just so dark and beautiful. Like, in the natural light, I wish it was sunny outside, but it's so gloomy and whatnot. But you can see the blue. And I love it. I would love to see what it looks like in the sun. But, like, if it's this blue in just natural lighting, like, then that's a win for me. Like, I can see the blue when my hair moves, and it's so dark on top of that. It's just so beautiful. It's everything I want in a hair color. It's dark black, and it's got blue that you can see in natural lighting and in, like, my vanity, and it's just, like, love it. Chef kiss. It's just everything that I look for in a hair color. The smell that is it's there, but it's like non-existent. You don't need ventilation. It's super gentle. It's super dark. It's super blue. Everything I look for in a hair color, this is it. I don't think I have anything bad to say, except it just stains a little bit. It stains your skin, which I don't really care about because I wash my face twice a day, that it just like, it'll come off in like literally 2 days, and it does stain your counter, and that's about it. Like, that's the only bad thing you have to say about it. Then I think this one was a win, and I am so glad I bought it off just a whim on eBay. Like, I typed in blue black hair dye, permanent hair dye, and I bought the first 4 hair colors on there that I've never tried before that had blue black in stock and available. I was like, all right, I will buy it. I will try it. I've never used that before. Let's give you guys something to see, because, you know, if you do eventually go to a salon, you can always find someone that uses like this color. If you don't like doing it yourself, I mean, like, I want this color from Goldwell's Topchic or whatever. Like, there are stylists that use certain brands. Some people like Matrix, some people like Goldwell, some people like I can't think of half of the names, Kenra and Pravana, stuff like that. Like, they have like set ones. So if you can find a salon, if you don't like doing it yourself, you can always ask or search the internet for a salon that uses these products. But I absolutely am in love. Like, it's amazing. My hair feels so good. I feel like I can see the blue everywhere from like root to tip, and it's just so dark. I'm like, I may have found my it color. And if I just have to buy it on eBay, then so be it. Like, I just have to get the developer, which I have like a ton of, which, you know, I have it. All I gotta do is get this and I'm good. So yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say about this, like, except it was a really good recommendation and I'm so glad I got to try it. And so far I'm in love. I will keep you guys updated on my Instagram if you don't follow me already. It's Nina_Gilhousen, and I give you all the good, the bad, the ugly updates on the hair color. And there's been some that have been like totally bummers and some that have totally shocked me that like I couldn't believe. So you gotta, like, if you want updates on this hair color after a couple washes, right there is like where you go, and I'll do a video update so you guys can see the results, and it's just easier for me to do instead of like taking a picture and just making a huge paragraph of it, because not everyone wants to sit there and read it. So it's just easier to do it that way. And you guys get all the dirt on the hair color, like if all my whites wash out the next time I wash my hair, if it bleeds all over the place when I'm sleeping or in the rain or anything like that, if it was worth it after a couple washes, if it all washed out and faded like to a red, I let you guys know everything. So, yeah, if you have any more recommendations, let me know in the comments below, or you can always DM me on my Instagram page. It's really nice if you follow me on there, because then you could DM me pictures of the hair color so I know exactly what I'm buying. It makes it so much easier. And I do my best to try and get that exact color. So, yeah, I think that's all I gotta say. And I will see you next time. Bye, guys.